Have you ever wondered what's inside you? Have you ever wondered what makes you poop? Well, the answer is the digestive system. Today I'm going to tell you all about the digestive system. Firstly, it's divided into two parts, the alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Firstly, who are the digestive glands? Let's ask this diagram. Me! Okay, Mr. Lever. Me! Me! Oh, who is that? I can hear it behind the stomach. Me! I am behind the stomach. I'm the pancreas. Okay, Mrs. Pancreas. Yo, bro. Me! Oh, I can hear from here. Oh, it's Mr. Salivary Glands. What does he have to say? Yo, bro, I'm a part of the digestive glands too, you know. Okay, now as we know, all the digestive glands now are the liver, the pancreas, and of course the salivary glands. Let's now talk about the alimentary canal. Which are the parts of the alimentary canal? Well, firstly the throat or the esophagus, the liver, the stomach, the large intestine, the small intestine, and of course, who can you forget but the mouth itself. This weird looking mouth thing is the mouth, of course. Firstly, the mouth is used in the ingestion of the food. The inner part of the mouth is called the buccal cavity. This is where most of the processing happens. Here happens the process of mastication. Now, what you will be asking, what is mastication? Firstly, we need to know what are the parts of the buccal cavity. There is the teeth, the tongue, and of course the salivary glands. The process of mastication is the process when the teeth chew the food, which involves the two jaws clenching. Okay, this is the process known as mastication. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands totally. They excrete saliva into our mouth. What does saliva help in? Other than making it easy for us to swallow the food, it helps in the breakdown of the carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars by this process. Not really this process, by saliva. But how? Well, the saliva contains the salivary amylase. Okay, that is what breaks down the food. Then now we talk about the types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth: the incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. The incisors are chisel shaped. They are used for cutting and biting. There are 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Their total number is 8, of course. Then there is the canines, which are sharp and pointed. They are used for tearing, and 2 in each jaws, totaling up to 4. There is the premolars, which are flat, rigid, and with small grooves. They are used for crushing and grinding, as well as the molars. There are 4 in each jaw, the premolars, which eventually total up to 8. The molars are flat with wide ridges. They are used for crushing and grinding, and just as I told you, there are 6 in each jaw, totaling up to 12. Well, this equals up to 32 teeth. Okay, 32 teeth, which total up to 16 pairs. Okay. Now, an adult human has 32 teeth. A baby till you are at the age of 10 mostly have 20 teeth. These teeth fall off. These are called milk teeth. From when these fall off, you will grow permanent teeth. Mine have still not fallen off, even though I'm 20 years old. Still, these fall off, from which new sets of teeth arise. Now the tongue, it's a muscular organ, like you can see here. It's very flexible, and it is attached to the back of the buccal cavity. Okay, well, this helps in moving. It moves around because it's very flexible and it's very wobbly, you know. It helps us taste. Well, it's moving around helps it the food get mixed with the saliva, and of course send the food to different corners of our buccal cavity, so that the teeth can chew it up. Okay, chew it, grind it, or tear it up, depending on the teeth. Okay, then it's swallowed down. Okay, it's swallowed down. But before that, we also feel something, like you feel sweet, sour, bitter, or maybe salty. Okay, this is due to the tongue, which has taste buds. It is said that the tongue has over 1,000,000 taste buds. Okay, but we can't really count them, so it's said they have 1,000,000 taste buds. Then there's the esophagus, this huge pipe which comes from the throat to the stomach, or which joins the buccal cavity to the stomach. Simple enough. Now many people believe that if we eat upside down, we won't be able to swallow it and it will just puke out. Okay, we'll just puke. But that's not the truth, because most people believe that due to gravity it goes down, but it's not due to that. The esophagus actually it has this movement called peristalsis, which actually is a wave-like movement. This helps due to its contraction and relaxation. The food goes down to the stomach. So even if you eat upside down, which you most surely will not do, you won't puke until something else happens, until someone bobbles you up so that you get the circumstances. Then the food actually does not get digested in the esophagus to many beliefs. And I will tell you a fun fact. Organ called pharynx is blocking the trachea or the windpipe from the food. So it's said that if you breathe while you are eating, you may think you are breathing, but you are not actually. If you breathe while eating, then the pharynx will open. Thus, the food may come into a windpipe, which you can choke on, or you may spit it out. Okay. Then we're gonna learn about the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and also about the other two glands in the next video. Thanks for joining in. Welcome, and like and subscribe. Thank you.